Hi everyone. I know you are preparing for PMP exam and I have a good news for you. Today I brought you one full length exam free. Yes, you heard it right. I'll give you access to Udemy simulator where you can practice one full length exam for free. Watch this video till end and comment below. Our team will get in touch with you. Alright, so today I'm going to share with you the program detail. I call it best PMP program and there are various reasons for it. Number one, I work with you on a customized roadmap. This means that as per your learning style, as per your availability, as per your strengths, I work individually with you and provide you a customized roadmap. Now, you will get access to the progress partner system. I created it. There are group of professionals who already took PMP certification from me. So we created a group, WhatsApp group, and you will get an access to that experts group where these progress partners will help you, assist you with questions, answers, tips, and advices. How cool is that? Yeah. Now, I work individually with each one of you to bridge the knowledge gaps. I'll provide in depth coverage of difficult topics. Now, in this program, you will get hands on practice. Over 2000 mock questions. Like, you will get 8 to 10 full length exams access, the best simulator, and I will make sure that you attempt all these full length exams and sit with me. And hours will sit individually with each one of you to go through all the answers one by one. Why correct answer was correct, why incorrect answer was incorrect. That's important to know to bridge the knowledge gap as well. Now you will get exclusive premium material with this course, and my mentorship is there until you get PMP certified. So I'll not leave you at the end of the course. And also, I'll go beyond the PMP certification, helping you in your professional life applying PMP principles. Now, there are global success stories. You can check my testimonials from 2016. 500 plus people have been certified, and these testimonials speaks the strength of this program. Now, coming to pricing, so you have three options. Self-study on demand course. If you have taken PMP classes and you want to become exam ready, this course is for you. $250 is the price. You will get premium material access. You will get 2000 mock exams, 8 full length exams access, and then you will get on demand access to me where I will sit with you upon completion of one full length exam. I'll sit with individually with you to review again why every question was correct, why every other question was wrong, and what was the reason for being wrong, and then I'll provide in-depth coverage of those areas which you need to improve. Now, second is the group course, which is set at $499, and that is where you will be taught online for full PMP curriculum, and then the premium material access will be given to learning management system and Udemy for the 8 full length exams that you will also get, and also you will be able to get in touch with me after attempting each full length exam for hours and hours to sit with you to close the knowledge gaps. Now, third is the one-to-one. One-to-one is where I teach you one-to-one customized way on your availability, and that is set as $999. So all these three options I've explained to you in depth. Now for more details, get in touch with me on the number mentioned below and email address mentioned below. And for free exam access, comment in below that you are interested, and I'll personally get in touch with you to share with you the Udemy simulator details. All the best. Looking forward to see you in our program.